Do you host movie events? You're gonna love this video. I'm gonna show you how you can create a movie event on Simpletix in a matter of minutes. Let's dive in. Hey, I'm Aaron, the founder of Simpletix.com. If you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button down below and the notification icon. That way you get notified every time we release a new video. So in this video right now, we're gonna create a movie event on Simpletix, and I'll show you how easy it is. So the very first step is to put in your event title here. So I'll pop in Encanto, and I'll choose this option right here to grab the film details. And here I can see the video, or the movie. I'll click select on it. And now it's gonna grab all the details of that movie and put it into our page. Now it also has the video, or the picture of it, and I'll click here to grab this particular crop of it. I can move it around if I'd like to. And I'll click done. So now our picture is set for the video, for the movie. And I also have all the details of the movie as well here in the description. And if I want to change it, I can totally do that. Now for the venue, I'll have to select that. Now we've already used Simpletix, so I have a list of venues. I'll go ahead and choose one of them. I'll click next. Now, when we got the movie details, we also got the length of the movie as well too. So this movie is 1 hour, 49 minutes long. So I can kind of see that here where the end time is exactly the start time with that there. Now, if you have one event with one time, you can go ahead and select that time here, and whatever the start time is, you can select it from this list. So let's say it starts at 4 p.m. You can see here that hour and 49 minutes is pre-applied to the end time. Now, if you have multiple dates and times, you can choose the option here to schedule multiple dates and times. You can choose specific dates, and you can choose all of the dates you're gonna show this movie just like this. And choose the end date as well. And just like before, the start time and end time are kind of preserved there, so you don't have to set them. All right, I'll choose next here, and now I'll put in our price levels. So I will say adults are $20, and children are $10. And there's a maximum capacity of 200 people. So it doesn't matter how many adults you have and how many children you have, the overall capacity is 200. And I will click done. And that's it, our event is created. Now you'll have to connect a Square, Stripe, or Authorize.net account to continue at this point. But right now we can take a look at our event page. Let's go ahead and do that. So here's our event page. I can click here to buy tickets, and I can see the dates. I'll click tickets here. 2 adult tickets, and if I have other events where I want people to buy tickets for different movies all in one order, they can choose the option here to see other events. Now let's say this image, you're not fond of it, you want to replace it. You can totally do that. So what I'll do right now is I will go over to event details, and here's the image that we set earlier. If I want to remove this one and add a custom graphic like this one here, we can do it. Let me show you how to do it. So basically download your graphic or work with your graphic on using Photoshop, and you can drop it in here, and I'll click done, and I will click the save button here. And now when you refresh the page, you'll see that custom graphic. So you have a lot of flexibility where we'll provide a graphic for you automatically, but if you want to override it, you totally can. Well, hopefully this video is helpful. If you have any questions or have any comments, feel free to leave notes in the comments below, and we'll always read them and get back to you. Or reach out to support@Simpletix.com. Well, thanks, and thanks for checking out our video today.